Hi, welcome to Islands of Fun. It's your boy Joel. Today we're gonna be doing a video on how to make Pholourie. It's a local dish in Trinidad and Tobago, a local delicacy in Trinidad and Tobago. My mom is actually gonna be the one making it. So we're gonna go through the process of how you make Pholourie. Stay tuned. Okay, so one of the ingredients here is shadow benny, also known as bandania. Then we have over here garlic. Then we also have flour, Nutrimix premium grade flour. We also have to use yeast, which my mom has here, and also we have loose curry powder. We have ground roast jeera, split peas powder, baking powder. Let me see if I could get this in there. Baking powder. And last but not least, saffron. Well, this is not the bottle that it comes in or packed. My mom just put it in there for storage. And we have flour. We also have salt and sugar that goes into the mix as well. Alright, so she's putting all the ingredients together as a dry mix. So if you have ever heard about Pholourie and like Pholourie, you can always leave a comment down below. And if you're new to the channel, you can feel free to subscribe, hit the like button, leave a comment as well. Now, usually there would be measurements to go with this, but I think over the years my mom, she learned how to average, so she doesn't use any measurements, but I could probably find a recipe which I'd leave as a link up on top. If not, it'll be in the description below as well. Now she's adding the salt to the mixture here. Now please don't try this at home. Use measurements. Oh boy, just the smell of the combination is making me hungry. And how many packs of that do you use?
Half of it all depends on how much. This is a 3/4 pack of this because of the amount.
Alright. So you heard it from the start of the show. Now she just add some of the garlic and shadow benny to the mixture. Now do you mix that first and then start to add the water? Alright, so she just added the water to the mixture and now she's adding some more. So it takes a lot of water based on how many Pholourie you're making. She's actually making this for an order. She's making 1800 Pholourie. Now this is the hard part. Now you can see she's mixing it with her hand. Trust me, if you make Pholourie on a regular basis, you're gonna make some serious gains in terms of muscles. Alright, so we're gonna come back when it's like almost completed so you can see the texture of the dough.
The color is good. We just so we don't have enough curry and enough saffron in it, but we want to put it a little more jira. The butter behind it. Pass it down there. And knock it. It's a little more jira. It's at the razor already.
Hey.
Hot to hot fast. Let's get it cook. Cool on stuff lined. Put the brown paper in the rice tray and the cut paper. Cool lining with foil and then.
Alright guys, so we forgot one ingredient, the oil. You could use any type of oil. We're just using soybean oil, which is all natural, I guess.
You forget to tell them to clean your workspace as you go along. Remember you're dealing with food. You don't want to contaminate the food you're dealing with to get anybody sick. Which is that's pretty cool up close by. So I'm gonna put it here.
Alright, so we have the pot of oil there. The pot was heated first, and then we poured the oil to heat up in there. Look at that utensil. Look at it, my friends. We're ready to fry. So we're just gonna set up some more stuff, like the cooler and the bowl that will be capturing the already done Pholourie. So stay tuned. Alright guys, so we're gonna see the proper technique here now. Which one is it? What do you think? The first one. Look at that juicy, succulent Pholourie. So we're going back into how to mix. So as you can see, we're using proper technique with the hands. Most people can't do it with the hand, so they usually use like a spoon or so. So mom, where did you learn the technique to use your hand?
My niece.
Which one of your niece?
Gail.
Oh.
This is Paria, south of Trinidad.
South Trinidad. Not south of Trinidad. South Trinidad, right people?
She used to make doubles and sahina and stuff like that.
She still
Yeah.
make it, or she do make it?
Parlor in front of the house, she used to sell stuff.
So you can see, guys, a lot of Pholourie in there. It's too early in the morning to be seeing things like this. I'm ready to eat. What about you? By rising better now, man. Well, it'll come to kind of coming on. Really nice. Now, one thing you got to learn, guys, you have to wait till these bad boys are golden brown, just like the first one, golden brown. I think it's cool enough now that we could actually eat it. Look at that succulent thing. So I'm gonna take a piece. I'm gonna give Mom the next piece. Well, tastes so good. Hope I didn't make you guys hungry. So, thanks again for watching. If you like the video, don't forget to leave a thumbs up. Also, leave a comment. Tell me if you ever had Pholourie, what sauces you use with Pholourie, if it's tamarind or mango. I'm gonna show you the mango sauce before we leave. You're gonna love it. So cool. So this here is the mango sauce. It looks a little watery because it just needs to be stirred. I won't stir it or swizzle, but that is tasting great. I had some of it last night, so yeah, have a good day.